Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Freshwolf reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with men's hair care products, including hair care shampoos, conditioners, hair wax, pomade, and body wash, etc. So these are the these are the products that are available on this website. And talking about other information, let's talk about payment information or shipping information. But guys, you can see they have not provided particular payment section or shipping policy section, which is a negative sign. Now talking about other information, so the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. They are affordable. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you guys. Now let's discuss about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection. Apart from that, it has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access, which is a good sign. Now talking about its domain creation date, the domain name was created on 7th of July 2018. So guys, this site is an old website which defines its legitimacy. This is a positive sign here. Now talking about company's details, so you can see they have not provided any about us section or contact us section. So this is a negative sign again. Now talking about social media presence, you can see the site has no social media presence for now, as they have not provided social media icons on the website. So this is again a bad sign, guys. Now talking about the return or refund policy, they have not provided the return policy information or refund policy information. This is a simple theme based website that they have designed and mentioned the men's hair care products on the website for purchase. Now guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund if you have. Apart from that, talking about Freshwolf reviews, we have found 4.4 star rating out of 5 on internet, guys. They have not provided the official customer reviews on the official website, but yes, they have provided, or we have found 4.4 rating out of 5 on the Amazon platform or e-commerce portal, you can say. People are appraising the quality of this product. One of the customers said it smells so good, extremely high quality, the fragrance is amazing. And another customer said, best with these products, my boyfriend has incredibly thick hair and they make his hair so soft, shiny, and bonus, they smell amazing. So these are the positive comments about the products offered by this website, which is Freshwolf. So this is a positive sign here that define its legitimacy, guys. But yes, as there are so many loopholes as well, so we can't speak more about this website. So in the final conclusion, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. It's really very important to check out the social media presence, customer reviews, reliable, genuine customer reviews about particular product or website. So it's totally up to you. You can make a wise decision by exploring the entire information about the website on internet as on other platforms as well. So if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we would love to hear your views and we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.